to start Articulate Rise, what you need to do is download it. And the place to download it from is the Articulate website. So let's go to that. So Articulate, just go Articulate Rise. There you go. You want Articulate 360. So click on that. And then you're on the Articulate website. On this page, if you've not done so already, you should activate an Articulate 360 trial. In other words, a 30-day free trial, and it's really good. Gives you all the features. I don't think there's anything missing from it, in honesty. I know a lot of companies put watermarks over it and stuff, but no, not from my experience with Articulate, so I highly recommend it. Anyway, sign up for it and everything. Once you've signed up, you'll be given a download link, and I'm just going to go actually into my Articulate 360 because I already have a license. Now, from here, you've got a couple of options. You can download the desktop apps, but because Rise 360 is web-based, you don't need to. So if you do download it, I'll show you how. So click Downloads, Start Download, starts downloading and so forth. It will then go into your Downloads folder. It's in my Downloads folder. You can then just launch it, answer all the appropriate questions, and install the piece of software like you would do anything else. And if you do that, then this launches as well. And you do need to download it if you're going to be using Storyline 360, Studio 360, Replay 360, Peak 360. Yeah, because all those bits need to be installed. Now, Storyline 360 says open because I've already installed it. But this video is not about Storyline 360. It's about Rise 360. So, as I say, you don't need to download this. At the top here, I've got Rise 360. Click on it. And you're now in your Rise 360 area of your Articulate account. And as I say, it's a web-based program, so you then create from here. If you have downloaded the Articulate app, which is absolutely fine, and a lot of people will have because they'll be using 360 or something else, then you can find it. I'll close it just to show you how to. Go to Windows, type in Articulate, launch that. That's the one I've got installed. It's here. And then Rise 360, if I click on Launch, it will then launch in my web browser. However, as I say, you don't need to do that. You can quite simply at any point in time, I'll just show you how, I'll just go into my Articulate account, go straight onto the web page. I'm in the account, I'm signed in as me, Rise 360. Hey presto, nothing to install. Okay, so you don't need to install anything. And the advantage of that, if you're working for an organisation with a big IT department, is that you don't need to go through IT. You don't need to raise a ticket or anything like that. Anyway, you now know how to find, sign up for, download if appropriate, and launch Articulate Rise 360. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be creating a lot of Rise videos. I've already got lots of Articulate Storyline videos on there, but I'm going to be making lots of Rise videos. I'll be covering everything from how to launch it to inserting different sections into e-learning courses, how to insert images, videos, links, how to make changes and edits, how to SCORM courses and actually launch them. I'm going to be covering all of this in a series of videos. So make sure you subscribe, like the video. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it.